Hey guys, this is Jacobs and I'm back with another video today. Now in this particular video, I want to show you guys a little side hustle you can do right here on Binance to make a quick profit, in fact an enormous profit, especially if you are a P2P merchant on Binance. So this particular site also only works if you are a P2P merchant, if you are trading P2P on Binance. And trading P2P is also one of the steady ways people use to make money on Binance. So all they do here is create it's essentially like a marketplace. It's essentially like a marketplace, and just like every other marketplace, people come around, they want to buy, you sell to them, you want to sell, they buy from you. Now in the P2P market, you have two sides to it, which is the buy side and the sell side. Now if you are the customer, you want to buy, you go to the buy, the merchant will sell to you. If you are a customer, you want to sell, the merchant will buy from you. But this video is only for P2P merchants only. So if you are new to the P2P market, or you want to get into the P2P market, I'll be dropping a video later on explaining how the P2P market works, and it is also one of the steady ways people use to make money on Binance without stress. Now if you have to become a P2P merchant, you need to be creating ads. You'll be creating advertisements. Once a customer clicks your ad, then you carry out your transaction with them. You guys don't have to worry. Binance is a very secure platform, the number one top most secure crypto exchange in the world. I have done some transactions with this P2P market, and I've never had any issue whatsoever. And it's a very tight escrow service, so you don't have to ever worry about someone scamming you or anything. It's only if you made a silly mistake, that's the only thing you can do to lose your money. Perhaps maybe you released your crypto before the payment was confirmed. That's the only thing that can make you lose here. But other than that, you don't have to worry about any mischievous activities. A very secure escrow service. Now as a merchant, if you want to buy, you will need to create a selling ad. Now we are making use of FDUSD. FDUSD was also introduced in Binance. It's also a stable coin alongside with USDT, USDC, and BUSD. Now FDUSD, out of all the stable coins, I noticed FDUSD is the one that is trading the lowest. It is trading the lowest, unlike USDT and others that are up to the current price. FDUSD is trading a bit lower than them. So you have to do as a merchant, create a selling ad. As you guys can see here, we have merchants buying FDUSD here at the rate of 60, 700, 71, 800, all the way 803, 851, 875. So as a P2P merchant, create an advertisement, a selling ad in which you'll be buying, then put a very low price. Then if you are able to successfully get a customer that wants to sell their FDUSD to you, and let's say you create a ad at 700. Now if the customer releases, let's say 100 FDUSD to you, it means that you are buying at the rate of 70,000 naira. Now once you've gotten a customer like that, you've gotten your FDUSD, you've gotten your 100 FDUSD, all you have to do is head over to the spot market, look for FDUSD USDT. Now we got 100 FDUSD, so we'll be getting 100 USDT. Now for FDUSD, Binance is charging 0 fees on FDUSD, so you don't have to worry about the fees. So we'll be getting 99.95 USDT. So all you have to do is come back to USDT NGN, then click on sell, and then you paste, and you guys can see you'll be making profits. Now this opportunity is only for P2P merchants. So if you are a P2P merchant, all you have to do is create a sell ad for FDUSD, put a very cheap price. Then once you've gotten a customer to sell their FDUSD to you, all you have to do is head over to the spot market and sell off your FDUSD. So that's the arbitrage opportunity. That's the opportunity presented to you, but it's only for what P2P merchants only. I'll be dropping a video later on explaining how you can start a P2P business right here in Binance or any other cryptocurrency platform that are available. To my channel, like this video and join the link in the description below to have access to my spot trading signals and updates, our arbitrage signals and updates, and join our Telegram group for our forex trading signals and updates as well. Thank you.